Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone. Required our bread. I'm taking 8 slices of bread, total of 8, 4 for one type, 4 for another different types. And there is one dairy milk chocolate. You can use any chocolate you want, milk chocolate, white chocolate, dark chocolate, anything of your choice. So I'm using here dairy milk Cadbury chocolate, the plain one. And I have sugar syrup, vanilla essence, ghee. You have to use melted ghee, so I already have melted ghee here, and Nutella. You can use Nutella or homemade any chocolate syrup you have. And for decorating purpose, gems. It is again your choice. If you don't have anything to use, you can just skip that part. You can still keep the plain balls. Okay, so let's get started. I will get started with melting the chocolate, that is by double boiling. For that I'm using a saucepan. I have filled it with quarter part of water. Let's keep boiling it. Let's give it for boiling. While double boiling, I'll be using this dish above this. When the water boils, I'll keep this above this and keep the chocolate bars in this. Then it will get melted into smooth cream. So let's do that. You have to keep it in high flame. So I have kept the water for boiling in high flame. Meanwhile, I will break these chocolates into small cubes, which will be easy. See, the water is already boiling. I'm going to keep this bowl over that, and let's do double boiling. Okay. And now you can see it is almost melted. Another few minutes, it will be done. So this is completely melted. So let me just transfer it into a small glass. It will be easy for us to make the dipping part. So let's transfer it into a small glass. Right? So this has to be the consistency, with the chocolate melting into complete form. So this has to be the consistency. Alright. So I have transferred it into a glass, which will be easy for us to dip the balls I make. Okay, so let's get into the process of break. Now we have to grind these bread slices and get it powdered. So let's do that. So it is done. I will transfer half of this into a bowl and then do the first process of making bread pops. So because I told you I'll be making 2 different bread pops. One, to this let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup. Again, the sweet depends on individual of you who is going to try this out. So I am going to use 2 teaspoons of sugar syrup into this. 2. So let me just mix it. To this let's add 1 spoon of melted ghee, or as I said, you can use butter. Now just 2 drops of vanilla essence. Make sure you're doing just 2 drops, because otherwise it will smell and taste a bit different. And again, vanilla essence is an option again. Let's mix them. The method of mixing them, how will you know if it is done or not, is when you can make proper balls out of this. Okay, so let's try making this. See, so I can make proper balls with this. That means the consistency, as in the liquid required for this, is perfect. So again, I say the sugar syrup, everything depends on your sweet limits. You will be dipping again in the chocolate, so make sure you're not increasing the liquid. Okay, so let's make some balls out of this. and then do the next step. And the last ball. You can see I have made 5 balls with this. Now you need candy sticks, or you can use any bamboo sticks or even a normal stick that is available, bamboo sticks or candy sticks. So now at the moment I have these sticks with me, so I'll be using this. By now the chocolate syrup is completely melted. Dip this, not completely, but dip this in this and okay, keep it aside. Let's do the same with other things. I'm not dipping completely, neither am I pressing in this completely. Okay, otherwise if you try to press completely or insert it completely, it will break. Okay, so I have done it with all the 5. Now we have to refrigerate this for 10 minutes. That will make the stick completely attached to the balls with the chocolate completely dipped in it and fixing it, in order to avoid the breakage of the balls as well as the stick coming out of it. Okay, so let's keep this in freezer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm using the same bowl which I used for melting the chocolate, because these chocolates will go waste if I don't use them. So I thought let's use the next step with this. Okay, so for this I'm using the bread that is completely or finely powdered. To this we will add Nutella, 2 spoons of Nutella. Now to this you don't have to add any other additional sweet or essence, because this Nutella itself comes with all the required essence in it. So I am adding 2 spoons of Nutella. You can add homemade chocolate syrup, anything that is of your choice. Okay, so now let's see. Now I can make balls out of this. So let's keep this aside and make balls with the rest of the bread. This is really simple, even kids can get 4 balls from this. Now let's do the same process what I did with the other one, that is dip a stick in chocolate, dip it, you can see, again dip another stick, you can see they are also ready. Now let's freeze this for 10 minutes. It is set. Now I just have to do a very simple process. Dip this in this, see, this is how I have decorated it. Now you see I have kept a glass with the all-purpose flour in it. It's just to keep this stand straight without touching into each other. So let's do with other bread pops as well. After doing all these decorations, we have to keep it in freezer for another 15 minutes. Let's keep it in freezer for 15 minutes and get back. This is after keeping in fridge for another 15 minutes and it is ready to eat.